Hey guys, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. Today it's part 2 of our terrace project and we're doing demo day.
Yeah, happy Thursday to you guys. We're excited to get this. You know, it took some, we had to kind of deliberate a little bit. Do we really want to get rid of this? Because it is kind of a, it's a mess, but it's also kind of like a piece of history on this property. But I'm thinking one day we'll add a new one. That's kind of my plan, right?
Yep. And when we go through and demo this today, we're going to see if anything's salvageable, and if so, we'll keep it.
That'd be
if
cool.
Not, no big deal.
You know, I'm also a little concerned that there might be a rat nest in there, like an old one, right? Because we had some activity out here in this nasty ivy. We don't know what's going on in there. There could be a bird nest in there. I mean, who knows?
Yeah, we don't know.
They wouldn't have been at the same time.
You get to watch and see with us.
Yeah, so we're going to show you our plan of events.
So here's what we got going on. There's the wishing well. And
so,
so what we're gonna do is we're gonna move all of
all this stuff. That's easy.
We're gonna move all that out of the way.
That's the easy part.
And then we'll probably salvage that little squirrel statue.
We should definitely keep this little squirrel. This is barely like hanging on for life on this thing. It's pretty cute, actually.
And then, you can see the shingles there are rotten. They're getting really bad, and we're just gonna take that apart, pile it up, and as we dig down further, I've got my Sawzall here, and we'll cut these posts off right there. Yep, we'll cut those posts to get down further, and then we're gonna get that ivy out of there.
Oh my goodness, I'm not sad to see the ivy go. I think the birds will be bummed though, because they do kind of use it for cover. So, but we're gonna replace it with a bunch of new things. So I feel good knowing that we're gonna plant things here. They'll help them kind of provide cover.
It's really gonna give the backyard a different look. So
we're ready for this.
We're ready to get going. You guys ready? You ready?
Let's do this.
Let's do this.
Demo day.
So guys, here we are. We're getting ready to demo. A couple things we wanted to show you. We've got some tools here that we're gonna use. We've got a small sledgehammer. We've got a regular hammer. We've got some loppers, some hand shears, and like I was telling you before, we've got a reciprocating saw to cut these posts and get this into pieces a lot faster.
That'll really help.
Yep, so those are the tools we're probably gonna use today. We've got a wheelbarrow behind us. We've also got our yard waste debris for putting the ivy into. But first off, we gotta move all of this stuff out of the way because we wanna keep this stuff.
I definitely keep this stuff. And there's some old little statue things in here that were my grandpa's as well. And we're keeping this guy. So like Sean said, we're gonna tear this down, get the ivy out. And then we need to, if you guys remember, there's a big rock wall back here that we used out of recycled, repurposed stuff. We're gonna move that all out too.
So
it was like our practice wall for a couple years ago, but.
So once that's done, all that's done, we're gonna reposition these lines up here like we did yesterday on our previous video, and then that'll move us a lot faster and a lot closer to starting and breaking ground.
I love this. So where are we gonna put all the debris?
For right now, I guess we can put it on the side or we can put it back here for staging.
Stage it back here. We'll have to take it to the dump.
Yeah, and if we don't have too much of this, we can fill it maybe in our garbage
I know, that would be good.
And then the garbage guy will just come and get it in a week or two.
It's not gonna be reusable because this stuff's pretty rotten.
Yeah, it's pretty bad. So with that, let's get together.
Okay.
Let's get working here.
Here we go. Okay, you guys, we got it done. It's so weird. You know, your brain, it always takes your brain a minute to adjust, right? When you make a big change. So yeah, this whole area right here was the wishing well, and we had a lot of ivy in it, like you saw. And the rock wall we had to dig out, so wow.
Yeah, looks good. I like it.
I do too.
Yeah, it really opened it up.
It really did, and it gives us a lot of growing space.
So hopefully you enjoyed watching us work and some of our process here. And we actually reset the lines over here too for 5 feet between the two lines. So that's a lot more symmetric now. And as we go through and break ground now in the next couple days, you'll be able to see that too.
So
we'll document that and we'll show you all about that too. So, but if you have any questions about what we did or how we did it, go ahead and leave those down below for us. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
And we'll be back tomorrow because that's a wrap for today. So we'll be back with our Friday plant chat, and come on by to see which plant we're highlighting.
Yeah, see you tomorrow, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.